out here on a fire restoration project looking at the roof. We're getting ready to replace it, and I wanted to share with you the value. A lot of people don't understand the value of PVC. This building would have burned to the ground if it had a mod bit or a TPO, a petroleum-based product on it. So I'm going to show you what happens. PVC will burn when it has a heat source, but as soon as you take the heat source away from it, it goes out. And that's what saved this from being a total loss. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you there was a huge fire inside, and because the PVC doesn't catch fire and stay on fire like a petroleum-based product, it saved this rooftop. So here it is. You can see how badly the metal deck, this fire was very hot. It buckled the metal deck, and as you'll notice, the insulation is burned. And then when you get to the PVC right here, had this been a petroleum-based product, it would have caught on fire and stayed on fire, and the entire rest of the roof would have burned. Okay, but because this is made out of PVC, this is why the fire contained itself to where the heat source was. So the heat source, as you see, was across there, and you'll see little pockets where the heat got real hot and it melted the PVC, but it didn't catch on fire. That's the difference between petroleum-based products and PVC. It will burn as long as there's a heat source, but as soon as you take the heat source away from it, it goes out. So before you replace your roof with a petroleum-based product, give Commercial Roofs Texas a call and talk to us about PVC. And generally, we can do it for the same price as a 60 mil TPO, because we have a great partnership with IB Roofing, and IB Roof works with us to help us keep our price points where they need to be. Big thing is you want to take care of your facility, and you don't want to lose an entire building because your roof is made out of a petroleum-based product. So there it is in a nutshell. That's why you want PVC on your roof, right there. This saved the entire roof from catching on fire. Had it been petroleum-based, we wouldn't be standing up here right now because the whole thing would have burned. But because it was PVC, it was contained over the fire inside the building, and now instead of doing a full, complete demo, we're able to just do some structural work on the back of the building, and we're going to put a brand new roof on the entire facility. Guess what it's going to be? It's going to be PVC.